What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. And today's video, I do have a next possible Shiba. So stick around guys. Okay, today is November 9, 2021 and we are on extreme greed. And our coin gecko today, we have Bitcoin. We just hit the all-time high of 67,000, but right now it went down a bit. Currently it's 0.9% up, but in the past 7 days we have 9.3% up. Ethereum 10.6% up for the past 7 days. Binance 16.7% on the past 7 days. We have Cardano. Solana is down today. Dogecoin is down 1% for the past 24 hours. Shiba is 1.1% down, but 22.3% down for the past 7 days. And we have Litecoin is 23.2% up. Uniswap, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, we have Filecoin, Tron, so Graph is 2.8% up, Near is 4.8% up, EOS 9% up, and the top gainers of the day we have LPT 104.6% up and 209.6% up for the past 7 days, and we do have Loopring, Litecoin, BOT, Ethereum Classic, Dash, HNT, Bitcoin Cash, and Cardano. And our crypto bubbles today, we have KDA 131% up, LPT 214% up, LRC 56.5% up, we have AVAX, OKB, HNT, YOUC, and we have ADA. We have Cardano, GRT. SHIB is 19.1% down though, but we'll talk about Shiba later on. And guys, what are the most bullish and bearish months of Bitcoin as seasonality case study? We are on November. As I said, November would be a green month, and we are currently on the green month. We just hit the all-time high of 67,000 for Bitcoin. And guys, before we go to the chart, smash that like, it would be appreciated. It helps the algorithm. So guys, this is our November candle. It's green and we are expecting to go up more. Let's see guys if we will hit 161 somewhere here guys, 150, 200,000. You'll never know guys. This could be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we are on the 5th wave. We might still see the price to go up guys. But just to be aware guys, this is a bearish pattern. This is ascending channels, and our bearish scenario guys, this could be a truncated 5th wave, so we might see ABC correction already. So just to be aware guys, October 31st I posted this one on here on TradingView. I've mentioned here possible formation of head and shoulders pattern. It broke on the falling wedge and the formation of bullish flag. We are now looking for 3 more waves to the upside. So we are now here guys. Sorry, I said 67,000, actually 68,000. So guys, I drew this one, the inverted head and shoulders pattern, and it actually go to 68,500. And now we are looking for the 4th wave. So expect a pullback guys, and we go to the moon. We go 1 more wave to the upside. Ethereum, as we projected, this one looks like cap and handle too, and we projected the all-time high and it already surpassed my price prediction, and Ethereum is still rising guys. Dogecoin already broke on this descending channel, and we are now looking for 1 more wave to the upside. It's just the price went down a bit, but yeah, our ultimate target would be 44 cents. Our safest target is 33 cents. So guys, Dogecoin, on the higher degree, we have wave 3, wave 4 coming down, wave 4 and wave 5. Actually, our ultimate target would be 75 cents. And Shiba, we are on this bullish flag. We already had this ABC correction and we are now looking for 3 more waves to the upside. This one looks like another bullish flag and it already bounced back at 50%. So anytime soon, Shiba, we're expecting to go up 3 more waves to the upside. Let's see if this one will break. Our initial target would be the all-time high, and let's expect a little bit pullback and break on this resistance here. And Doge Elon, this could be our next Shiba. Currently it's on a possible formation of cup and handle, and on the 1 hour chart we have 1 2 3 4 5. We have possible the formation of ABC correction. This could form a handle. Right now we see this rising channel, so possibly the price will go down, form a handle, or anyway, overall we are expecting Doge Elon to go up. And guys, I posted this one October 2. Shiba might develop a cap and handle. This is a similar pattern I can find for Doge Elon. This one, last price of Shiba at that time is, how many series that? 50804. And tada! I don't know how many X is that, guys, but boom, just like magic, guys. Okay guys, this is all I got. If you find this video valuable, smash that like, subscribe to the channel, trade safe. I love you. Bye bye.